Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be how to stuff a woodpecker from 1960. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
Woody. The taxidermist. Professor Dingo Dong? Was that his name? I'm gonna go back. It's, yeah, Dingo Dong. Man, imagine having that name. Oh, wow. Okay. That's hilarious. But, okay, yeah, so it's a taxidermist. So you don't want to get anywhere near here, Woody. You don't want to be anywhere near here. Hippo. What? He's in there.
Okay. Oh, hello there. Welcome. Come, let me show you around the shop.
Okay.
Here is a specimen that gave me quite a bit of trouble.
I bet he did.
Fact, for a while, it was a question of who stuffs who here.
The mouse. Oh, wow. There you go. That'll scare you. he's inside the kangaroo pouch. Man, yeah, there you go. It's like, why did he get scared? You know, you stuffed him. Like, you know, he's not alive. It's just the mouse. The mouse was messing with him. That mouse is lucky that he hasn't seen him, or he'll probably stuff him too. Right? It's like he'll do the same to him.
Don't worry, he won't hurt you. He's stuffed.
Right.
Now this one here.
Oh, wow.
Ran out of stuffing. This one almost got away.
He almost got away.
This one here, folks, is
What?
a rhino. This is a camelback, a fish-tailed zebra. There, to tell the truth, I made that one up from some odd pieces I had left over. Now this...
Okay, hey, Woody. I hope he's not a taxidermy animal. Oh man, but yeah, that yeah, cause it's like, yeah, I bet he did make that other one with with a bunch of other parts he had left over. If not, he just found a new species of animal, man.
This little doggo, boy, he was the worst one of them all.
Oh, wow.
Let me tell you how I finally outsmarted the Stunker on capture.
No, so he's actually stuffed. Poor Woody. No. Okay, we'll see the story, but so we know he catches him. Wow.
Day, while I was out looking for specimens for stuffing.
Okay. There you go. There's Woody.
That sounds like a woodpecker.
Yeah. Sure is.
My,
Oh.
what a fine specimen. Say, kiddo, how would you like to be stuffed, eh?
No.
But I just ate. Maybe.
Right, that's not what he means, Woody. That is not what he means at all. Like, you don't wanna mess with him. It's like, just get out of here, Woody.
Maybe some other time?
Maybe some other time.
What a sense of humor. Say, kiddo, you're pretty sharp there.
He's gonna hit him. He is sharp.
Wonderful sense of humor.
Yeah, he does have a.
So, while I was resting,
He has a great sense of
I was
humor.
planning my next move.
Okay,
It is a very
while I was resting. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I guess you were resting. It's like Woody made you rest there.
that woodpeckers like acorns.
Oh, do they like acorns? I didn't know that.
When the little stinker comes by, I will zook him up in the vacuum machine. Yeah.
Okay,
Ah, an acorn.
an acorn. There you go. Doesn't work.
Don't you start.
It's not plugged in. Oh no! There you go. You wanted it to start. It started. There you go.
Now I was getting mad.
Yeah, I could
At this
see.
point, I decided I would have to use a little strategy.
Okay.
Disguising myself as Papa Woodpecker, I would fool them.
Okay, he's a Papa Woodpecker. All right. We'll see how this goes.
Little fella.
Dum-dee-dum-dum.
Woody, my son,
Ah,
it's me,
okay.
your papa.
He,
I always thought I was an orphan.
right, Woody. I don't think we've ever seen Woody's parents, right? Maybe he was an orphan, but Woody. But I mean, hey, I gotta give the guy credit though. It actually does look like a woodpecker. The suit is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
Come, I take you home and stuff.
Oh no. Okay. Oh, that's not gonna work. Woody knows. Right. Woody's no dummy. He knows. Bye bye, Daddy. Oh, right on the railroad tracks. So long, Daddy. There you go.
All right, wise guy. Nobody rides
Wise
without
guy.
a ticket.
Oh man, he's lucky he's alive, man. Oh, nobody rides without a ticket. He thought he was hitching a ride on the train. Oh man. There you go. Oh man. Oh, he got him. Wow.
Try to match wits with the professor, will you?
Oh, ah!
Hello there.
You just said hi to Woody. Oh! Did he put an ostrich in there? Oh, Woody, man. I don't know how he did it, but hey, he's a magician, man. Oh, that Woody. How did he ever catch Woody, man? I mean, wow. Oh! He's fighting with the ostrich now. He's gonna stuff the ostrich.
It was a slam bang scuffle, but
Okay.
the big schmuck wound up being stuffed.
Yeah, like I said, he's gonna stuff him. He injured him, man. Poor ostrich, man. Oh man, he stuffed him with all the bandages and everything.
Yeah. Well, I still
Okay.
had to catch the woodpecker.
There you go.
I cooked up a very ingenious plot.
Okay. Oh, there's the apple. It's like the tree's following you, Woody. He knows something's up. There you go. Oh! The sawmill. There you go. That's what you get. There you go.
What a shape.
What a shame. Oh, Woody, man. He's so funny. What a shape. Yeah, that was a good shape right there, Woody. That was There you go, Professor Dingo Dong. You've met your match. Oh, wow, Woody, man. There you go.
Didn't let this little setback stop me. I
Wow.
was determined to catch that
Okay,
woodpecker.
yeah, we could see. You're determined. There you go. Oh, man. Okay. But he's gonna come back, isn't he? Oh, don't open it. Why would you open it? Why would you open it? What is... Oh, Woody got him, man. So far, Woody's outsmarting him every time, man. I mean, how did he ever catch Woody? I don't know, man. Oh, that Woody, man. He got you. Uh-oh. Wow, that worked. Oh, wow, that's how he caught him. Wow. Oh, Woody got too into it, man. He actually thought he was a train. Wow, so that's how he got him, man. Wow. And Woody's just there. He just accepted it.
Well, that's exactly how it
Wow.
happened.
But did you stop him though?
Madness always wins out in the end.
Okay.
Right.
Hey, he's not even stopped. Hey, there you go. All right. The professor was so surprised. Like, what? I thought I stuffed you. No, so you caught him, but you didn't stuff him. There you go. You cannot stuff Woody the Woodpecker. Only with food, right? Only with food you could stuff him up. But there you go. That was good. That was hilarious. Oh, Woody, man. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad Woody was he was okay in the end. he was just standing still like that for the longest time. Man, that Woody, man, he plays too much, man. Oh, Woody, but yeah, no, this was great. No complaints at all. That was so funny. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.